Affiliate Connector Capital Partner. Hello everyone, Christina here. Welcome to Coffee Time with Christina Group. Nationwide multifamily off-market deal flow ecosystem powered by advanced AI technology. Hyper momentum. Today is your reminder that every lay in this ecosystem matters. Every affiliate, every capital connector, every capital partner, you are the movement. Affiliate shares the ecosystem and opens the first door. Connectors bring the people who change the room. Capital partners bring the power that moves the deals across the finish line. This is not a small community. This is a national ecosystem built on alignment, trust, and clean deal flow. Every introduction, every referral, every connection you make pushes the entire movement forward. If you are here, you are not here by accident. You are here because you are a decision maker, CEO level. You are here because you are a builder. You are here because you are ready for your next level. Choose your lane, activate your role, step into our ecosystem that's rising every single day. If you want to learn more about our off-market multifamily deal flow ecosystem powered by advanced AI technology, AI Mimi service you. Welcome to join Coffee Time with Christina Group Session 30. Session 30 will be held on April 15th, 2026 at 3:30 p.m. Eastern, online on Zoom. The theme will be raising capital with ease. Off-market multifamily deal mansion, capital mansion, one single check policy. Mark your calendar, get your coffee time passport. Welcome to join a community of excellence. Welcome to Coffee Time with Christina Group every single day. Thank you and welcome.